Hi, I'm Laura Meyers, and I'm excited to share a story with you today. Do you ever get so excited about something that you say it twice? Excited, excited, or I love books, or books. Sometimes I do, and I think the authors of our story for today do it sometimes too. It is called Green, a community gardening story. And the authors of this cool story are Marie and Baldev Lamba, and the amazing illustrations were done by Sonia Sanchez. We're going to share this story with permission from Farrar Straus, which is part of the Macmillan Publishing Company. Let's see what happens. Green, a community gardening story. Green, fresh and clean. Brown, dig the ground. Do you see any brown spots in the ground? Where are they digging? Rakes scrape. Seeds in rows. Tamp and water. The garden grows. What are they doing with that water? Watering and playing and watering the garden. Brown, dig the ground. What's going on back there? Dozers lift, concrete flows, stone and metal, the city grows. Dozers lift, concrete flows, stone and metal, the city grows. Look at that. Wow. Does this look similar or different to where you live? And grows. Green, in between. Where's the green in between? Do you see any green plants in the windows? Or in between the buildings? Squirrel gray, pigeon blue, weeds and wildflowers, litter too. Uh-oh. What's going wrong? Brown, dig the ground? What are they worried about? What do you think? Brown, dig the ground. What's going on in this picture? Lift and clear, shovel rows, working together, our garden grows. What did they decide to do together? And grows. Wow. How did their garden grow? What's growing? How's that make you feel? And grows. Wow. How are people using this space? this new big garden in their community. Green, green, keep it clean. Oh, what do we mean by keep it clean? What can we do to help keep green areas clean? What do you think? The end. What colors do you see in your neighborhood? Do you see anything green, green in your neighborhood? What other colors do you see when you look out the window or go on a little walk or when you're driving on the bus or in the car? Check it out and let us know. And that was Green Green, a community gardening story by Marie and Baldev Lamba and illustrated by Sonia Sanchez. We hope you enjoyed it.